Welcome to our comparison video where we will explore two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine and the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine. We will delve into their features, capacities, and usability to determine which one stands out for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine offers a significant advantage with its 18 pounds capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads in one go. In contrast, the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 15 liters, making it more suitable for smaller, delicate items. This difference in capacity can greatly influence your laundry experience, especially if you have larger items to wash. Another critical factor to consider is the spin cycle functionality. The COSTWAY model features a separate spinner, which effectively removes excess water from your clothes, leaving them nearly dry. On the other hand, the Grinchat lacks a dedicated spin-dry function, which means you'll need to manually wring out your clothes after washing. This can be a significant drawback for those who prefer convenience. In terms of size and weight, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is larger and heavier, weighing in at 29 pounds, which may be cumbersome for some users. Conversely, the Grinchat is designed to be lightweight and foldable, making it easy to transport and store. If portability is a priority for you, the Grinchat may be the better option. In conclusion, both washing machines have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is ideal for those needing a larger capacity and effective spin cycle, while the Grinchat is perfect for users who prioritize portability and ease of use for smaller loads. Consider your laundry needs carefully before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.